Alright you guys, so today I'm going to show you how to restring your Ryobi string trimmer. I was doing this the wrong way for a long time, and I was actually taking this apart and wrapping the wheel, and that was not correct. But basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut a length of string. Here I have around 8 foot or so, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this spring portion right here inward, and I'm going to push the string, and it will shortly pop out of the other side. And from there, I'm going to pull it through, and I'm going to get the lengths even from both sides, like this. I'm going to apply tension to get them even, and there we go. So from there, they may not be perfectly even, but that's okay. You'll be able to trim that later. And from there, you are going to rewind it. Now you can see you have a rewind arrow right here. And what you're going to do is slowly twist it in that direction. You're going to have to use the spring tension here, and it will wind up. You can apply a little bit of tension with your hands, but it's not all that necessary. And what it's doing is it's pulling in your string. Much more simple than taking this apart. We got a little bit more to go. And there you go. So next all we'll do is start it up and give it a bump, and the string will then come out of the head, and the weed eater is good to go. So if you guys have any questions, just comment, like, and please subscribe to my channel, and there'll be more videos like this. I also have more reviews on the Ryobi accessories, for instance the pole saw attachment for the expanded series. So guys, take a look. Thanks again.